Look, it's Jasmine's hair. Maybe we should take it for ransom.
Oh, leave that alone.
Yep, we are leaving it alone.
We can't take Jasmine's hair for ransom?
No.
Hey, Lady Boo.
I have to stick it up there. You ain't do no porn in here.
You have to stick what? Up where?
Porn. Do I look like I'm ready for porn?
You
There's
come,
no porn here.
you come out and say, we have to stick it up there, and then you say, no porn in here?
Yeah, well that just shows how dirty my mind was.
What you supposed to do?
Dirty mind, dirty mind.
We're thinking about taking your hair for ransom.
We're just joking around. Just go and get your makeup done.
Go on, your hair is safe.
Move on.
I begin to wonder if you took my own cigar.
Why? Okay, we're going to be filming a lesbian action soon.
This is Jazz's bed. This is where the magic happens.
Yeah. But all the crappy magic.
Will you tell everybody where you're at?
I'm at Rice, Texas.
No, you're in Corsicana, Texas right now. But you're in...
Where did you get this one, Jasmine?
She was supposed to say she was in Walmart.
This one is nicer. And that one, doesn't it? It's more practical, more summery.
You're supposed to say, I'm in Walmart. She's not paying me any attention.
I don't care. I'm shopping.
You were supposed to say...
I'm shopping.
You're,
Leave
oh
me
my
alone.
God.
I'm shopping.
Would you say it for me?
What?
Jasmine, do us the honors and say it for me.
Cow. Cow.
You're supposed to say, I'm in Walmart.
I'm in Walmart.
What shape?
And we're at the makeup.
I thought I had a different dress.
Okay. Bye everybody for now.
Baby. Bye, baby. Oh. Oh, yes. I think that's twins and I'm going to eat them. Oh.
You bloody cow. Jazz dropped her Fruit Loops.
Thank you. Cow.
Fruit Loop abuse. Hey Jazz, tell YouTube what you did.
No.
Come on, you bloody cow, come on.
Here we go. 40.
We got into
change you gave me, wasn't that like one?
We got into Walmart and Jazz forgot her wallet at the motel room.
Okay.
Hey, you girl in the pink. What are you buying? What are you making?
I'm making fish.
You're making fish what? We ain't got no fish.
$3 for 5 fillets.
Hey.
Which one's which?
That's cilantro.
This is which one costs 38 cents?
Cilantro. And you're like all up in the camera. Look, there's your ear.
Get that out of my ear.
And look, here comes Jazz. Here comes the lovely Jasmine. And there's the leaf.
Falling behind as usual.
The green leaf down there. In the vegetables where she belongs. Hey, you girl in the pink. What are you buying? What are you making?
I'm making fish.
You're making fish what? We ain't got no fish.
$3 for 5 fillets.
Hey,
What the heck is that? Which one's which?
that's cilantro.
This is which one costs 38 cents?
Cilantro. And you're like all up in the camera. Look, there's your ear.
Get out of my ear.
And look, here comes Jazz. Here comes the lovely Jasmine. And there's the leaf.
Following behind as usual.
The green leaf down there. In the vegetables where she belongs. Show us the Ho Mama shoes.
What?
Hold up the Ho Mama shoes.
Well, hello.
Turn sideways. There we go. Ho Mama shoes.
Yeah, right.
Mom. That's what this is.
I got triangles.
Those are kind of pretty though, aren't they?
I don't like the heel, isn't it?
Kinda. What the heck kind of heels are those?
Yeah.
Breakable.
What? Do you walk on those things?
That would hurt if you stepped on somebody.
Look at these.
I'm looking at them. No, I want to look at them. What
This
you
one?
got? No, the other one. What you just had. Oh, one you just had in your hand. That's it. You're fiddling with me. I ain't got my lippy on.
I'm not videoing your lippies. I'm videoing your shoes. Your Ho Mama shoes.
Too small.
That is so ladylike.
Mm. Yeah.
It's too small. What size do you need?
Hmm?
Okay, bye YouTube. Oh, look, the light's like around you like an angel or something.
Well, I am.
Okay, go.
You come off.
Now you gotta start again.
Yeah.
Okay. The Jasmine runway walk.
Model.
You come off again.
The Jasmine runway walk.
Make Adam give me babies. Look.
Kiss the camera. Hi. Hey, Queen Jazz. Did you have fun at the shoe store?
Pardon me?
Did you have fun at the shoe store?
Yes.
And did you buy shoes?
Not yet.
Yeah,
I'm here. I'm here.
But you're about to buy shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell Penny you bought shoes.
Okay. Did you want your boxer?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I'm going to put them on now.
Okay.
Tell Penny you bought shoes.
Penny, sweetheart, I bought shoes.
Instead of buying another birthday present.
2163.
Instead of buying a birthday present.
2163.
Can we say doghouse?
Okay.
Everybody say hello from Texas.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Jazz, hello from Texas.
Hello from Texas.
Say hello.
What?
Say hello.
It's going on YouTube.
That's what we're all YouTubers.
Yeah.
Howdy, y'all. I've got the real Texas.